This is a question 2 from the 2018 paper 1. It's about sampling. So the company runs 5 gyms, each one is the same size, and the owner wants to do a face-to-face survey among the members, and she's going to use a cluster sample. This is where the data naturally comes in groups, and you just choose one of those groups to be your sample. In this case, it's likely that she's going to choose just one gym, and she's going to survey as many people as possible at that one gym. What's interesting to me in the mark scheme is you can either say yes or no. Let's have a look at the mark scheme here. So you can say yes because it is convenient and cheap and quick, and they're all the same size. Or you could say no because the gyms could be different. So for example, if the gyms are in different areas, you might get very different customer base. I'm going to go with yes because it does seem like a practical approach here. So she only needs one person to do this. Because she's only interviewing members of one gym. Okay, in her other survey, she's going to consider the gender of the different members. And you'll notice that there is quite a big gender disparity, many more male members than female. And that means, because the groups are very different sizes, that she should use a stratified sample. And now they're going to ask us about the number of people in the sample. So remember, a stratified sample, you're asking a fraction of the population. So that is the sample out of the population. Here's the sample. The population is 700 people. And then we're going to multiply that by the numbers for male. And the same fraction by the numbers for female. So your sample out of your population times each group size. In this case, there are only 2 groups. I'm going to do the men first on my calculator. That's 145 men. Now the women. That's 30 women. Okay, how many more males than females? Okay, so we're going to calculate a difference between these two. So 145 minus 30, and that is 115 people.